Good morning, Hong Kong. Welcome back to another episode of Hong Kong Insurance 101. This week, we're staying with the insurance impact of the COVID-19 coronavirus, and we're talking about continuation and portability in health insurance. Because the COVID-19 situation is extremely fluid, and because the knock-on impact of the virus on work and family is constantly being updated, many people are on edge at the moment. Long-term planning is fairly difficult when you don't know what you will be doing in a few months' time. This is especially true for many expatriates who simply don't know whether their employer will choose to maintain an office in Hong Kong after the pandemic. Now, the most requested form of insurance at CCW Global since the start of the year has been health insurance, and this is understandable. But with the level of confusion surrounding the coronavirus pandemic, there is concern about purchasing comprehensive long-term healthcare protection. And this makes sense if you don't know where you'll be in 6 months and are worried about your ability to utilize a health insurance plan you purchased in quite possibly an entirely different country. And this brings us to the topic of today's video, portability and continuation. While it's true that locally underwritten Hong Kong health insurance plans will only provide coverage to a policyholder in Hong Kong, this is not true for all health insurance products. In past episodes, we've discussed the existence of international health insurance plans, and at this time, it's worth looking into an interesting facet of these policies. International health insurance products are internationally portable. A single plan can travel with you and your family no matter where in the world you may go. And in some cases, these plans can continue to cover expatriates even if they repatriate to their home nation. This means that an international health insurance product which is purchased in Hong Kong can cover you against the cost of your medical treatment while you are in the city, away on vacation, or even if you were relocated by your employer to another country with no breaks in coverage. Now, this is a critical issue for many people at this time, as the ability to rely on a single health insurance plan, no matter what happens, could be invaluable. The second part of this subject is continuation, and this mainly relates to corporate health insurance policies, but could be extremely important to you if your company provides a health insurance plan in which continuation is offered. Now, on some group health insurance products, individuals insured under the policy are able to take their health insurance with them should they leave the group, and they can continue to be insured on an individual basis with no break in cover as long as they personally pay their premiums. Now, the premiums may have been previously paid by the employer, but the important aspect with continuation is that there's no additional underwriting on the policy, and the individual continues to receive the same level of coverage under their standalone health insurance product as they would have when they were being provided the health insurance protection as part of a benefits package through their employer. That's us for this week. If you're concerned about your health insurance coverage, should you need to relocate away from Hong Kong, or if you are a business looking at creating a strong safety net for your employees, please contact a CCW Global Insurance Broker. We're happy to discuss your insurance needs completely free of charge. Otherwise, like and subscribe to stay current with all our content as it comes out, and remember to ask CCW. We're simplifying your insurance. Have a happy and healthy weekend, everyone.